Hi there, my name is Ajogun Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video, we are going to learn how to upload videos into Google Drive. Okay, so you make sure you are logged in into Google. When you logged in into Google, then you type drive.google.com. It will take you into Google Drive. Now to upload your video, go to the new button. Click on the new button and select upload file. This is going to open your computer's file explorer. Now here you have to locate where your video is. In this case, I've saved my video in videos, so I have to scroll down and look for the video I want to upload. Now this is the video I want to upload. Select, click on open for you to start uploading your video, and you can see here on the screen that one upload complete. So that means our video has been uploaded successfully. Now we have our video on our Google Drive. That is it for today. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Thank you for watching.